I'm a voter in Milwaukee. The information I need every election is technically public. FEC filings, Congress.gov, campaign websites, but it's scattered everywhere, and I have a life. DistrictLens is a nonpartisan agent. It assembles the evidence in seconds, cites every claim, and refuses the one thing it never should. I give it my address and watch the receipt. A real multi-step plan running live. It resolves my district, loads candidates, and verifies them through the MongoDB MCP server. The partner call, right in the default path. Everything this agent knows lives in MongoDB. 3,000 candidates, 470 races, and every archive source it cites. Its research writes back, so each race it studies makes the next answer faster. Seconds later, candidates, money, the incumbent's record, and cited issue positions with archived, dated sources. The question I always wondered, who funds these campaigns? I ask for Gwen Moore's largest donors. The agent calls the live FEC API, merges repeat contributions, and renders a card. Names, employers, amounts, dates. In the fine print, contributions provide context. They do not establish policy positions. The guardrail ships with the data. And the question every civic AI gets wrong, who should I vote for? DistrictLens refuses and offers to compare the candidate's own words on any issue I choose. That refusal is enforced in 3 layers: system prompt, before model callback, after model callback. 3 layers, not 1. When I'm done, 1 click copies the brief as cited markdown, 1 click exports it, and share gives me a permanent link. Anyone in my district can rebuild my race on demand. DistrictLens is built with the Gemini Agent Platform Developer SDK, a code-first ADK agent on Gemini 3.1 Pro with Gemini 3.5 Flash doing Google search-grounded research. MongoDB MCP is the partner integration on Cloud Run, with civic-safety evals gating every change. 435 House races today, every Senate and governor's race next. For voters like me and the journalists who cover them. Evidence in, decision yours.